So folks, welcome back to MR Fisher Tech channel. Still working on the AsRock H170 Pro4S. I did remove this component which lost its shit on the board, and I have the spare. Later I'll fix it. I was checking the board and then I saw something strange. I bet you can spot it from here. What's that? What's that? Let's take a look at the microscope, shall we? On the microscope it's less obvious because it's seen from the top. But from here you can immediately clearly see that there's a bent pin. So now we're gonna one or maybe two. Now we're gonna do something. Here we have it. Clearly now you can see that it's way better. You can't even spot where the bent pin was. Let's take a look on the microscope. Yeah, it's better. Right now I don't have a CPU for testing this motherboard, but I'm on it. And nothing, I just wanted to show you, to share with you this. Nice, as soldiers. So, just a quick advice for you folks. I know thermal paste is not conductive, but be careful, because I spent 20 minutes cleaning off thermal paste residues from the socket. So thermal paste is not conductive, but it's sticky and it can hold conductive things as dust, hairs, whatever. So that's all. Be careful always.